Ons is weer hier vandag. Ons kyk uit na vandag se les. Vandag wil ons 'n bietjie van hê. Ons is nie baie ernstig vandag nie, maar dis Afrikaans. Afrikaans is baie belangrik. Today we don't want to be so serious. We want to know Afrikaans is very important for us. So this is just to show you when you really want to learn Afrikaans, this is the way to go. Let's look at some of the words, the English and Afrikaans meaning of words. In my opinion, you hear that a lot. In my opinion, I say this in Afrikaans. In my mening of na my mening. Saber Afrikaans. In my spare time. In my vrye tyd. In my vrye tyd. In other words, met ander woorde. Is your brother in? Is jou broer tuis? Luister na die korrekte Afrikaans. Is jou broer tuis? En nie is jou broer in nie, maar is jou broer tuis? It turned out well. Meaning, wat dit beteken, dit het goed afgeloop. Was the paper difficult? Was dit 'n moeilike vraagstel? It won't take long. It won't take long. Dit sal nie lank neem nie. Look after the child. Pas die kind op. Make your bed. Maak die bed op. Most people, die meeste mense. We watch it slow. Sorry, my watch is slow. My horlosie is agter. My watch is fast. My horlosie